In the competitive business world, success requires a clear roadmap. Business rules are the guiding principles that provide this direction. They are the invisible hand that steers decision-making, ensuring consistency and efficiency across all operations. Think of them as the if-then statements that dictate how a business operates, from customer interactions to financial management. Imagine a business without clear rules. Chaos would ensue, decisions would be inconsistent, resources misallocated, and customer satisfaction would plummet. Business rules provide the framework for order, allowing companies to operate smoothly and effectively. By defining clear boundaries and expectations, businesses can streamline processes, reduce errors, and improve overall productivity. This, in turn, leads to increased profitability and a stronger competitive edge. Marketing, the art of attracting and retaining customers, heavily relies on effective business rules. These rules define target audiences, messaging strategies, and brand consistency. A key rule in marketing is to know your customer. This means understanding their needs, wants, and pain points. For instance, a company selling luxury watches might establish a rule to target high-income individuals interested in fashion and status. Their messaging would reflect exclusivity and craftsmanship, appealing to this specific demographic. Another crucial rule is maintaining brand consistency across all marketing channels. This ensures that the brand message is clear, concise, and resonates with the target audience. Consistent branding builds trust and recognition, crucial for long-term success. Financial stability is the backbone of any successful business. Business rules in finance focus on managing cash flow, controlling expenses, and ensuring profitability. One fundamental rule is to spend less than you earn. This simple yet powerful principle guides budgeting and spending decisions, preventing overspending and debt. Another important rule is to maintain a healthy cash flow. This means having enough liquid assets to cover operational expenses, such as salaries and rent. Businesses can establish rules for invoicing, payment collection, and investment strategies to ensure consistent cash flow. Furthermore, rules for risk management are crucial. This might involve setting limits on investments, diversifying portfolios, and having contingency plans in place to mitigate potential financial risks. Operational efficiency is about maximizing output with minimal input. Business rules play a vital role in streamlining processes, reducing waste, and improving productivity. One key area is inventory management. A common rule is to implement just-in-time inventory systems. This means ordering and receiving inventory only when needed, minimizing storage costs and reducing waste. Another example is standardizing operational procedures. By creating clear, step-by-step guidelines for tasks, businesses can ensure consistency, reduce errors, and improve employee training. These standardized procedures act as business rules, dictating the most efficient way to perform specific tasks. This results in faster turnaround times, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction.